Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video series, I am working through some of the frequently asked questions that I get about some of the topics of math. For this video, we're going to focus in on converting from a base 5 system to a base 10 system. So let's look at the place value for a base 5 system. So in base 5, you're going to have your units, which is 5 to the 0. This is like your ones column. Then the next one you're going to have is your 5 to the first column, and that's going to be your 5s. And then you'll have your 5 to the second, and that's going to be your 25s. So we have 4, 2, 3 base 5. So 4, 2, 3 in base 5. So here's what we're going to do to convert it to the base 10 system we know. We're going to take the digit and multiply it by the place value. So 4 times 5 to the second is 4 times 25, which is 100. That's a times there. Then we'll do the 2 times 5 to the first. And that would be 2 times 5, which would give us 10. And then finally, we have 3 times 5 to the 0 power. That is 3 times 1, or just 3. And then once you've multiplied the digits by their place value, you're going to add them together. 113 base 10 is the same thing as 423 base 5.